Hey crafties, this is Kimberly with Sky Creations. So I want to bring you along as I'm creating a Gerber Daisy using the 12 by 12 cardstock shop Encore textured cardstock. It's a 80-pound cardstock and we're using the color Flamingo today. So as you see here, we will be using 2 of the largest petal sizes, 2 of the medium layer, and 2 of the center buds. So all of this is included on the SVG. And as you see here, we're going to be taking a kebab stick, a weeding tool, a pen, anything that is circular and round to curl these petals downward. So you want to get a nice little twist in there. You'll go all around. If you think about when you would curl the balloon ribbon to get that nice little coil at the end of your balloons, this is kind of the effect that you're doing that when you're making these paper flowers. Just keep in mind, be gentle, it is paper, so just keep that in mind. But you'll go ahead and do that for the 2 large layers and the 2 middle layers. Once you have them rolled out, you do want to push the layers up slightly, and it's going to look like if it's a spider sitting on its tummy with its legs sticking out. So that's the effect that you want. For the center buds, you want to go ahead and roll them a little bit tighter, but you're going to go upward. And this is perfect so that you can create the bud. Now we're going to assemble. You're going to get the bottom layer with the next layer here, as you see, and you want to stagger them. So you don't want the petals to overlap entirely. You want to shift it slightly so that one petal is within the other. And so you'll see that I'm doing that there. I'm lifting up that second layer to make sure that it's not overlapping with the bottom layer. We will continue to do this with the third layer, making sure that it is staggered, and then the final layer. And I pinch all of my petals upward just to allow the paper to know where it's supposed to be going and adding that more dimension. The buds, you put one bud inside of the other, twist and curl it, making sure it's a nice tight bud, gluing that to the center using the kebab stick to put it in place. And here's our Gerber Daisy. So it's such a great and pretty and simple paper flower to make. You're actually able to elevate it even more by adding it to a card. So this is a very personal touch to put on there. You can place it on the card, and hope you like and subscribe to the 12 by 12 cardstock shop for more great paper craft tutorials.